back. So today, this hair is just a mess and it is ready for my extensions to get taken out. So we can't go to the salon to take them out. So my amazing man, Ryan, is gonna take it out for me. So I do have something to remove. This is from BELLAMI, and then I have a little comb as well. So hopefully this works well and I don't ruin my hair. All right, so here's my hair. Obviously I have brushed it and we are like ready to go. I'm kind of nervous. Ryan does know how to take it out. He's taken one out before. So we're gonna see how many times we've argued while we're trying to do it. Ryan is obviously going to help me take these extensions out. So I have about 20 of them.
I know what I'm doing. I've got the gloves, I've got the comb that the dog chewed on, and I've got this. It's not for COVID. It's because she hasn't brushed her teeth in a week.
Ew,
there we
my
go.
teeth. All right, so I'm gonna help him kind of
Please, we all know who the professional is here.
Sexual.
You can help me there. You can help me there.
Section it off. And you can kind of see.
I got you.
I just had cleaned my hair, washed my hair yesterday. So it should be nice and clean. Hopefully it'll be easy to put it in here. And are you foiling it? What?
This is a way faster way to do this. I know the professionals do it one way. I'm just going to use the roller. I can use the whole head. We can be done in 5 minutes. Perfect.
Right. This is from BELLAMI, and it is the remover for like hair stuff. So we're gonna spray that and put at each one at the root of it, and not like all the way through, just where the root is. And then you let it sit for like a minute, and then it should be able to come off. So then you also need to use a comb, and it's supposed to be like nice and pointed so that you can really get it into it. But my new puppy decided that they're going to, or decided she was going to eat it. So it's no longer pointed, but it's the only one we have.
Try to melt that back.
Oh, did you? Make sure it's only where the extensions are.
I got you. Okay.
You're
acting like this is my first rodeo.
All right, and then once you have one, start doing the rest. Okay, make sure you're being careful.
I'm kind of over this.
So you have to wait like a minute-ish, and then you'll be able to take it off. So we'll just wait a minute. All right, so we've been sitting here. He's gonna try to remove the first. I'm gonna turn this on so I can see my camera. Is it working? If it's not working, you might need to spray it more.
Yeah, I'm gonna spray it more. I opened it up a little bit, but I'm gonna kind of just like massage it in there. Do you feel?
We can test it, but I just don't want
Let me just test one. Let me test one. Doing it what appears to be a logical way. You're moving a lot.
I had to crack my back.
Crack your back?
Mm-hmm. Oh, my neck. This is going to take so long.
I don't even know if we should do them all in one day.
I think once you get it, though, like understand how to do it, it'll be like a boom kind of thing. You can use your hands too if it's not working. Okay, there's one. And then when you pull it, you have to be extremely careful so it doesn't rip any of my hair. So, okay guys, look, he got one. and it came with the tape, which is perfect. So the main goal is to take them out, but not ripping any of your hair. So it's all gonna be up to Ryan how much hair I'm gonna have when we're done. Did y'all feel? Wow, look at this. He did it.
I'm accepting appointments.
Oh my God. All right, so he actually did a really good job. If you can see on both sides, there is no extra hair that has been taken out. Ooh. I'm gonna take, because I want to keep my extensions, obviously. I'm just gonna go through, and since there's this tape, I'm gonna go through and I'm going to take out the adhesive. And I know it's extremely sticky because every time I see my people from my salon when I get my hair done, they're always like, it's so sticky. So, and they're right, this is extremely sticky. Done. Now I'm gonna need something to put these in. But yeah, now we're just gonna do all of this, and I can imagine it's gonna take for a while, so I'll do the time lapse so you guys can see how it goes. All right, so here is my hair, no extensions. It is a lot shorter, a lot thinner, just because of my side of my surgery side. So it has less amount of hair on that side. So it feels nice though. It feels like not as heavy. I'm gonna go straighten this bad boy up really quick and I'll be right back. All right guys, so here it is without any extensions. I just straightened it, so it is very thin on this side, but it looks pretty good, I think. I think that I do need to have some of this cut off at some of these ends just because a lot of it gets pretty thin down here. So here is the back. Not sure how it's looking in the back, but I'm pretty happy with it. So I am going to be putting some extensions in here from BELLAMI. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to put those in there. So coming into my studio, I have my BELLAMI extensions. These are the BELLAMI Silk Seam extensions. I knew I wanted this just because I know that my extensions would need to be really, really thin because on my surgery side, it is extremely sensitive, so it couldn't be anything that's really, really thick. I have had tons of different BELLAMI extensions throughout my life. I'll show you any of my other videos up here for you guys. So I have been using BELLAMI in a really long time, so I knew this is going to be the one that I wanted. So I got this one, and the color that I got is the warm brown and the honey blonde. So when you get the extensions, you get the test strips, so you get the 2 here, and then you get to see if it's going to match your hair, and obviously mine does really, really well. Obviously I'm gonna start at the bottom, so I'm just gonna clip in the 3 clips. Make sure it's nice and tight. All right, so here is the first set. So I'm gonna put this in the back, and then I'm just gonna keep putting more and more and more every time, so it's really easy. So I really like clip-ins just because you can take them out and redo it like whenever you need to. But one thing about the tape-ins was that you didn't even have to ever do anything for it. So I did really like it. So adding another one in here, it's looking really good. I'm so glad the color that I did, it matches so well for my hair. Just loving it. I have all of the hair other than one 2-clip. And this is everything in my hair. So I'm gonna stand up so you can kind of see how long it is. And I think it looks so cute. And I think it looks like my hair, which is what I love. It literally looks like this is my hair. So I love Bellami. As I said, I've been using Bellami products for a really long time, so I highly recommend. I'll put the link down below for you guys. I do have a coupon code. It is just Courtney. I will put it in the description box for you. All right, guys, so I hope you guys liked this video. Let me know down below if you guys have ever used Bellami. And yeah, definitely don't forget to subscribe to my channel and make sure you put the bell up there so you guys can know when my new videos are gonna go up and when they have gone up. But yeah, I think that's it. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.